Hussein, Monju to go over a proposed roadmap for, I think a lot of Baz member asked that what will be the events for next year for this organization. So we try to put together a kind of a roadmap, and it's my honor to invite Manzoor, who was very instrumental from the beginning of this Baz organization, forming the registration with the state and all other activities. So Manju, here you go.
Thank you, Donald. Assalamualaikum everyone. We are running out of time, so I will be very short. In the proposed 2024-25 activities, as you heard from our Rafiq, CEO Rafiq, I call him lovingly CEO Rafiq, so he went through all of this, but from the organizational point of view, we will be doing two important tasks. Number one, we need to form an executive committee. Baz need an official professional executive body, and that will happen in this coming year, inshallah. The election commission and all the procedure will be followed. Another important thing that we need to do is making this Baz as a 501c3 organization. That means this organization right now is only a non-profit organization, only registered in the state of Arizona. This part we have done. But second part is applying to the IRS and get the 501c3 status, which is getting the tax exemption status. So that will be done in this next year, inshallah. In the alumni and the family category, we are planning and proposing to have at least another annual get-together or reunion like this. And another thing we are proposing is to get, have a networking event done for the youth generation of our GUET alumni, their kids and everything. So this is our proposal. In the category of GUET Bangladesh, Rafiq already elaborated. We are proposing that we at least do one, research funding program or fellowship program with the GUET, so that we can have our connection to the GUET. In science and technology area, we are proposing to do a couple of items here. Have some technical seminar on those contemporary topics: artificial intelligence, electrical vehicles, semiconductor processing and design, environmental science, and many other, software security. A lot of area we have. We are proposing that at least we do some speaker series or technical event on this that we are proposing. Second thing, we are proposing that we want to have a motivational speaker series event. We can invite, the industry expert or some other, highly influential personality. We are talking about bringing our Intel chairman who is Bangladeshi. So we discuss and we plan that if we can do it in the next year, that will be great. That is our proposal. Also, discuss about the startup company ideas, entrepreneurship ideas. In our Baz, there are a couple of very successful, GUETian who have their own company. They can be, invited and they can give us some, inspirational, strategical or weekends on those things. Plus, they can invite some other. Last in this category is, initiate dialogue with local city and state official for economic development. Because we live in this community, if we can invite in a city or state level people to give us an event, that will be another good. We are also proposing for the new committee to think about it. Last area, which is volunteering and charitable area, because we want to do Baz as a 501c3 organization, which is charitable in nature. So we can do and involve in the charitable area as well. So we are proposing that we will do a volunteering event, or we can involve with some other big volunteer organization. We can be a partner of them. And other thing in this area is, if there is a fundraising event for very big humanitarian cause, we can be involved with them. We can help, raise fund if there is a big humanitarian ground. So those are proposed items we are, planning to have in this next year. With that, I will be wrapping up here. Thank you again. We are proud to be GUETian, and let's work together and make an impact altogether. Thank you.